Hi guys, Brooke here, and today I'm here with
Lucas.
Lucas. All right, Lucas, you are a veteran now. You've done this before.
Yeah.
What do you want to draw today?
Groot.
Groot? Ooh, that'll be a fun one. Baby Groot?
Yeah.
All right, I like it. All right, well, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, Lucas, let's
Do it.
find the middle of your paper. Slide your finger down just a tiny bit. A little more. Perfect. All right, from here, we're going to make one side of a bowl coming up. Now we're going to make the other side of the bowl. This is going to continue and come up. Now over here, we're going to go diagonal down, diagonal up. Then we're going to go straight sideways, diagonal down. We're going to come halfway up our line, do a curved line coming up, diagonal down. Starting just above that, we're just going to do a little hump over, diagonal the other way, diagonal down, diagonal up, line straight across, line straight down, diagonal up, diagonal down, diagonal back the same way, and you can attach. I'm going to go diagonal, I'm going to go up, I'm going to go diagonal down, diagonal up, down, up, and attach. So you can kind of get creative up there and do whatever you like. It's just having fun. Now we're going to find the middle of our cup that we make. We kind of made like a bowl or a cup right here. And then right in the middle, we're just going to do a little smiley face. Over on this side, just outside of this side, we're going to do a nice good size eye. And then over on the other side, just outside the other side of the smile, about the same size, another circle. Now down here, I'm going to do a little curved line. I'm going to do one on the other side. Just following along. Tiny one up at the top. A little bit longer one right there. With a little tiny one next to it. A little tiny one up there. I'm going to do another one under the eye. Another one under this eye. A couple above this eye that are just real small. And do kind of a diagonal one. And one right up the middle. And do one under his mouth, up and down. And another one that kind of curves the other way. There we go. Inside these circles, I'm going to draw another medium circle. And on the other circle on the same side. Nice. All right, now we're going to come down here and we're going to draw a curved line coming down. And then we're going to do, even with that, about 2 finger space apart, we're going to do another curved line coming up. A little more, I just want you to curve it into there. There you go. All right, now across the bottom, we're going to do a very slight smiley face. Yeah, see how it extends on both sides? Great job. And then from this side, over here where this is, I'm going to curve it and attach it right to him. Same thing on the other side. I'm going to curve up and attach. From this corner over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's a little bit going in, diagonal. Same thing on the other side, coming in. It's the same length, so they're the same size. And on the bottom, I'm going to just connect them with a smiley face. There we go. All right, now right where this part ended, we're going to draw a line going diagonal up. And then we're going to give it a friend on the other side that just runs parallel, meaning they go right next to each other. And on this side, I'm going to draw a little thumb. And then I'm going to draw a straight line coming up. And then I'm going to draw a diagonal down, up. These are real small. Down, up, and attach. Nice. And then from here, we're just going to come up and attach it in. On the other side, coming right out of here, we're just going to draw another line coming out. Mine kind of curves like a smiley face. And then I'm going to draw a little buddy line for him. And up on top, I'm going to draw a curved line, like a little mountain for his thumb. The other one, I'm going to draw a diagonal coming out. Same thing, we're going to zigzag, diagonal in, diagonal up, diagonal in, diagonal up, and connect. Good. Now, his arms, kind of because he's a branch, they curve. So we're going to do curved lines. 1, 2, 3. And then on the other side, I'm going to start over here coming in. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now up here, starting right where his chin would be, I'm going to do a curved line coming down. Just to attach it. Good. And then right below it, I'm going to do another one. And right here, I'm just going to do one more. And then up here from his little, what would be an armpit, I'm going to just take it up and connect it to his chin. And from the top of his arm, I'm going to do one more. Awesome. All right, there's our little tree Groot in his pot. Awesome job. Are you ready to color? Count us down.
3, 2, 1.
There it is. So cute. He turned out just amazing. Buddy, you did such a good job. I'm really proud of you. High five. Are you going to come back and join us?
Yes.
Oh, we would love that. All right. What do we want them to do?
Subscribe, get this video to 100 likes, and subscribe, comment, and see if you like this video.
Perfect. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to come back for more
How to draw.
How to Draw.